In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design and format messages in Slack for clarity and impact. Whether you're sharing quick updates or longer explanations, thoughtful formatting helps your message stand out and makes it easier for others to act on what you're saying. Start by using bold to highlight the most important pieces of information. Think of bold as a spotlight. If there's a deadline, a key decision, or a takeaway, make that short phrase bold so readers can't miss it. Keep it concise, like bolding the words deadline or action required rather than entire sentences. This helps your message scan quickly without feeling heavy. Use italics for emphasis or nuance. Italics are perfect for soft cues and tone, like clarifying a point or signaling something is tentative. If you find yourself wanting to italicize multiple sentences, step back and choose only the parts that truly benefit from that emphasis so your message doesn't feel overstyled. When you need to break up dense text, turn to bulleted or numbered lists. Bulleted lists work best when items are unordered, like a set of options or resources, while numbered lists are ideal for sequences, instructions, or priorities. Keep list items short and parallel in structure, and consider adding a one-line intro before the list so readers know what they're looking at. For highlighting important information, use block quotes. A block quote draws attention without shouting, making it great for a key policy line, a customer quote, or a critical note from a meeting. It visually separates the content and makes it obvious that this line should be read carefully. If you're sharing technical snippets, rely on code formatting. Use inline code formatting for short items like commands, file names, or error codes so they're easy to spot in a sentence. For longer examples, use a code block to preserve spacing and make the snippet readable at a glance. This reduces confusion and prevents formatting from mangling what you two are trying to show. Across all of these tools, avoid overusing formatting. Too many highlights compete with each other and slow readers down. Choose one or two techniques that best serve your message. Keep your styling consistent and always aim for clarity first. Before sending, take a quick look and ask whether the main point pops, whether the structure makes scanning easy, and whether the formatting supports your message rather than distracts from it. With these practices, your Slack messages will be clearer, more professional, and easier for your team to act on.